Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about ear anatomy. So let's start our topic with introduction. Ear is sensory organ responsible for hearing and balance. It is divided into three main parts: external ear that collects sound waves, middle ear that transmits sound vibration, and internal ear that contains sensory receptors for hearing and balance. Each part plays a unique role in converting sound waves into electrical signals and maintaining body balance. External ear has parts that include auricle or pinna, external acoustic meatus, and tympanic membrane that is also called as eardrum. First part of external ear is auricle that is also called as pinna. It is a cartilaginous funnel-shaped structure that projects from the side of the head. Its function is to collect and direct sound waves into the ear canal. Its features include helix, antihelix, tragus, antitragus, concha, and lobule. Second part of external ear is external acoustic meatus, that is canal of 2.5 cm long that lead from the auricle to the tympanic membrane that is also called as eardrum. Its outer third is cartilaginous and inner two-thirds is bony part. It contains ceruminous gland that produce earwax for protection. Next part of external ear is tympanic membrane that is also called as eardrum. It is thin oval membrane that separates the external ear from the middle ear. It vibrates in response to sound waves, transmitting them to the ossicles. Then we have second part of ear, that is middle ear. It is small ear-filled cavity in the temporal bone that transmits sound to the inner ear. It includes ossicles, muscles of middle ear, eustachian tube or auditory tube, and opening of middle ear. First part of middle ear is ossicles. There are three tiny bones that amplify and transmit sound vibration. They include malleus or hammer that is attached to tympanic membrane. Incus or anvil that is middle ossicle and it articulates with both malleus and stapes. Then we have stapes that is also called a stirrup. It is smallest bone in the body and it fits into the oval window of inner ear. Next part of middle ear is muscles of middle ear that include tensor tympani muscle that dampen vibration of tympanic membrane and stapedius muscle that stabilize stapes, reducing sound intensity to protect the inner ear. Next part of middle ear is eustachian tube that is also called as auditory tube that connects the middle ear cavity to the nasopharynx. It equalizes air pressure on both sides of tympanic membrane. Next part of middle ear is opening of middle ear, that is oval window, that is entry of middle ear to inner ear, that receive vibration from stapes. It has round window that relieves pressure from sound waves into the cochlea. Next part of ear is inner ear. Inner ear is a complex system of bony and membranous labyrinths that is filled with fluid that is located in the temporal bone. Its bony labyrinth is filled with perilymph and its membranous labyrinth is suspended within the bony labyrinth that is filled with endolymph. It is divided into two functional parts that include cochlea that is for hearing and vestibular system that is for balance. First is cochlea, that is a spiral shaped structure resembling a snail shell. It contains the cochlear ducts, scala vestibuli and scala tympani. It houses the organ of Corti, the sensory receptor for hearing with hair cells that convert sound vibration into nerve impulses. It has auditory nerve fibers that are cochlear division of vestibulocochlear nerve and they transmit these signals to the brain. Next part of inner ear is vestibular system that is for balance. It includes three semicircular canals, utricle and saccule. Semicircular canal detect rotational movements of the head. Utricle and saccule detect linear acceleration and gravity. Receptors in them send signals through the vestibular division of vestibulocochlear nerve. Functions of each part of ear. First, external ear function. Its function is to collect sound waves and funnels them to the tympanic membrane. Second part is middle ear and its function is to amplify and transmit vibration to the inner ear. Third part is inner ear. Its function is to convert vibration into nerve signals and to detect head movements, that is for the balance. Clinical significance of ear. First is otitis externa, that is infection of external ear canal, that is also called as swimmer's ears. Second significance is otitis media, that is middle ear infection and it is common in children. Third significance is conductive hearing loss and it is due to obstruction or damage to external or middle ear. Fourth significance is sensorineural hearing loss, that is damage to cochlea or vestibulocochlear nerve. Fifth significance is tinnitus, that is ringing in ear from inner ear or nerve damage. Sixth significance is vertigo, that is balance disorder due to vestibular dysfunction. Conclusion of this lecture video. Ear is a sophisticated sensory organ that is divided into external, middle and inner parts that work together to collect sounds, transmit vibration and interpret them as hearing while also maintaining equilibrium. Understanding ear anatomy is crucial for diagnosing hearing and balance disorders. And this is all about anatomy of the ear. Hopefully you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.